Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I sincerely hope that you all are having a super happy and super healthy positive life with your family, with your friends. So from today's video title, you already know today's video is all about delicious traditional Indian sweet dish recipes, Holi special recipes that I'm going to share today. It will be super simple, super easy to make, and I'm sure it will taste delicious. So these two recipes I'll share with you all, and today I'm not here to share any diet plan or diet routine or any vlog. I'm going to share just two Holi special recipes because Holi is around the corner, and I'm sure you are also super excited to celebrate Holi with all your family and all your friends. And food is an integral part of our life. Without food, we cannot celebrate any festival. So yes, that is the reason I am sharing these recipes with you all. And my friends, I hope you are also enjoying my previous vlogs. Those who have not yet watched those videos on my diet plans or diet routine, I will highly request you to watch those videos. I think you will find it helpful. So now, without wasting any time, let's straight go to the kitchen and let's share two wonderful and delicious special recipes. So my first recipe will be Gajar ka halwa today. Here you can see, my friends, I have already organized all the ingredients. First of all, I have grated gajar here. You can see in this way I have grated it. And here is cashew nuts and raisins. You can use whatever dry fruits you want, but I love to use these two. Here is my cardamom seeds. For flavoring, I am going to add, this is tej patta, 4 pieces of that. This is desi ghee, and here is condensed milk. Here is my full cream milk, and obviously I'll need sugar. And this is the ingredients. So now let's start. And here in this first of all, I have melted my ghee, and now I am adding tej patta or bay leaves and my cardamom seeds, and the flavor will be awesome obviously. So now I am mixing it well, and after 1 minute of frying it, now I am adding my grated gajar here. Just we have to be careful because oil is very hot. And now with so much of patience, we have to cook this gajar. This quantity will reduce in half. So we have to be very careful and very patient whenever we are making gajar ka halwa. And I have shifted my kadhai into this burner because this is little bigger. And you can see, my friends, after 2-3 minutes of cooking this grated gajar, it will release lots of water. So we have to be very patient, as I told you before. And our goal will be to reduce this water. And now I am going to cover the lid and I'll let it cook for another 10 minutes in low flame. So the flame should be in low. And here you can see water has reduced a lot, and also my gajar is cooked properly. So I am mixing everything well, and now I'll add everything one by one. And here now I am adding condensed milk, as you can see. And my friends, I didn't use any whole cream milk today because it depends actually on the quality of your carrots. My carrot got cooked properly, so I didn't add any. And now I am adding sugar. It depends on you, my friends, the quantity, but I am adding 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. And now I am adding cashew nuts and raisins, and it's smelling awesome, my friends. I wish you could smell it. And finally here I am adding cardamom seeds for extra flavor. I don't have cardamom powder in my kitchen today, but if you have, it will be best to use cardamom powder. And now it's time to turn off the flame because my gajar ka halwa is absolutely ready. And here is the final look of my gajar ka halwa, my friends. I cannot tell you how gorgeous it looks like, and it smells awesome. I also tasted little bit and it tastes just delicious. And after making delicious gajar ka halwa, now it's time to make super tempting and super soft gulab-jamun. That is our all-time favorite sweet dish. So here I have taken milk powder from Nido, and here is my ghee, desi ghee, and here 2 tablespoons of maida, all-purpose flour. Here 2 cups, you can see I got this to measure my milk powder in it. Here half a teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, my friends, baking powder. Here few cardamom, and this is oil for frying the gulab jamun. And here you can see I have already started making sugar syrup. I have taken 3 cups of sugar for 5 cups of water, and now I am making the syrup. So now let's start. And now it's time to add all the ingredients properly. Here you can see I have taken very small amount of baking powder, then 2 cups of milk powder, then this ghee, and also 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now I am mixing everything well. And here is my dough is absolutely ready, you can see. And now I'm going to make gulab jamun balls from it. To make the gulab jamun ball, it's very important to grease your hand. Here you can see I have already greased my hand with help of ghee. And now I'm making this gulab jamun. Just remember, my friends, it will increase the size whenever it will be in the sugar syrup. So just be very careful whenever you are making your gulab jamun. It should be little small in size. And now I am frying all my gulab jamun in this pan. My friends, just remember your flame should be from low to medium. As I told you all the time, our flame should be low to medium, not medium to high, my friends. Otherwise it will be super hard from outside and very raw from inside. And my gulab jamuns, they are fried properly, and I have fried it with so much of patience as I was telling you, because otherwise it will be super hard from outside and raw from inside. Now after putting it in this sugar syrup, I am cooking it for 1 to 2 minutes. In this way your sugar syrup will be incorporated properly in the gulab jamun pieces. So that's what I am doing now. And here you can see my first batch of gulab jamun. This is ready, and here I am frying my second batch. And finally, this is my Holi Special sweet and snack spread. I hope you have enjoyed, my friends. Here you can see this is super soft and so yummy, my gulab jamun. And here is papad, onion pakora. I have not given you the recipe of onion pakora, my friends, because I already have this recipe in my channel. And here I just want to show you how soft and beautiful this gulab jamun is done. So just look at this. And this onion pakora, these are also super delicious. It's so crunchy from outside and super soft and well cooked from inside. I made it with besan today. And here is my gorgeous looking gajar ka halwa, you have already seen. And here is little bit of tomato ketchup, Gujia from Haldiram. And also I have fried some papad. So yeah, in this way you can treat your guests in the Holi time. So I hope you have enjoyed. So my friends, in the beginning of today's video, I was stating you celebration is all about good food. So without good food, we cannot celebrate any festival. So I hope you have enjoyed my Holi Special spread today. Yes, this absolutely gorgeous looking Gulab-Jamun, Gajar ka halwa and the snacks. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. If you have liked today's video, if you have liked my Gulab-Jamun, easy Gulab-Jamun and Gajar ka halwa recipe, then please my friends like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also be a part of my positivity and happiness family by subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. And those who have already subscribed to my channel, those who are my subscribers, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Very soon I'll upload lot of other videos, diet videos, daily vlogs, regular vlogs, my dinner routine, lunch routine. So I hope you will enjoy that. And thank you so much for watching my vlogs and videos. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys super soon. So stay happy, stay positive, spread positivity and always stay motivated. So tata bye bye, love you.